Natin. Ginger. Garlic. Onion. Beef. Nakamarinate na. Salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, saka saucing wine, tapos ginger. Yun ang marinate ng karne. Tapos palambutin natin itong bablanch natin, yung broccoli. Tapos kunin nyo na itong fried tofu. Then oyster sauce. Tapos konting tubig yung pinagpakuluan ng broccoli. Then mushroom. Then cornstarch. Then balik nyo yung tofu saka broccoli. Last part, sesame oil. There you have it. Thank you. Bye-bye.